In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Gravity form submission as a lead for Pinterest pixels. My name is Nasim and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork with more than 6 years of working experience. I love to share my experience and teach people how to build digital skills and make money from home. So if you want to stay up to date, then consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to check this video description because I will give all the resource link on there. So let's back to this topic. This is actually a Gravity form which is embedded on their official website, but it's no problem, you can do it for your website. And I will show you how you can set up the successful form tracking, not just a button click. So you can see button click, it's actual not a conversion. So only the successful and full email submission is conversion, and here is no thank you page, only a thank you message is here. I will use Google Tag Manager to set up my conversion tracking because this is easy, reliable and smart way to set up conversion tracking. And also we can install all the tracking in one place. Let's go to Google Tag Manager and try to find a unique trigger for sending this event. So first of all, we need to go on the preview mode and do the test event, and make sure your website need to be connected with Google Tag Manager, and then you can go on the preview mode. And here you can see my website is opening on the preview mode. So this is actually temporarily connected with Google Tag Manager. And then go a test event. So actually I am doing a test event. You can see the successful message is here, and if I go on the tag assistant, then a unique event is here which is custom event. So this is actually our trigger, and we are going to send this event, and then go to trigger and make a custom event. So hit the new button and then select a custom event, and then paste exact same name that I copied. Just copy and paste and rename it. So our trigger is ready. Now we need to make a tag. So go to tag and then hit the new and try to find the template. So if I hit the tag configuration, then I am able to get the tag templates from here. Just type here a Pinterest and you can see a template, and we need to keep our tag ID here, and you can see I already paste my tag ID. And here you can see it's not the event. First of all, we need to make this page view event. So it's actually the base connection, that's why I used all pages, and just save it. So now Pinterest pixels and our website is connected. Now we need to make another event for sending that event. So choose the Pinterest tag again, so and keep the tag ID here, and select the specific lead event here, and I don't want to use type, and then select the trigger. So our tag is ready, and now just rename it. So I want to keep it's a Zboard Z form, yeah, and then save it. And when everything is okay, just hit the publish, and when this tag will publish and it will start working. So and you have to keep in mind that if you don't publish the GTM version, your tag will not work. So that's it. If you need my assist, open my calendar link and book a 15-minute free pre-project call with your date and time, and then fill up a little steps. I would love to assist you. If you think this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up because it helps me to continue working on this channel. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.